And this time block that Mr. Lane was rolling a blunt and might have been smoking.
No, I'm looking at his record. He doesn't have a license. He's suspended and he's just driving.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Kason Wilkins walked into a Dayton, Ohio courtroom facing serious charges. Attempted murder, assault, weapons possession, and firing into a habitation for an attack back in 2008. He insisted on representing himself. Problem was, Wilkins had a pattern of disruption. He kept delaying the trial, yelling accusations about being lynched.
Do not speak out in court again.
Would you please ask the bailiff and the sheriffs
No,
to just go get a tree and bring it in here?
We are going to take breaks.
Against the hang them, let the lynching, because this is the lynching. I mean, this is modern day lynching.
Yes.
That's what it is. Modern day lynching.
And
spouting nonsense until the judge had enough.
Wilkins, do you have any witnesses who are present today? You've had months to research this matter. This is why I suggested to you that you have counsel. I have repeatedly advised you, sir, that you will lose your right to represent yourself because of your conduct. Do you understand that?
No, Your Honor, I don't.
When the judge refused yet another continuance, Wilkins flipped the script.
You informed me that you had family in another part of Ohio? She did not provide me that information now. She's never provided me. Excuse me, more. You're excuse me for a second. Leave the face of her.
We're going to take a break, ladies and gentlemen, if you please step out.
While questioning a witness, he suddenly collapsed, clutching his chest, gasping. The whole theatrical routine. Court medics checked him. Nothing.
No concerns at all. He may need some water. The defendant is feigning some medical condition. It should reflect that the defendant is slouching over to the side and acts like he's sleeping. His breath appears to be quite normal. Doesn't appear to be labored in any way. Is that a fair assessment, sir?
Yes.
Not labored in any manner. He appears to be doing anything to you other than sitting in that chair?
No, Your Honor.
The deputy popped smelling salts, and just like that, Wilkins sprang back to life, staring down the deputy like he'd been caught.
Oh, a remarkable thing.
The judge called the ruse what it was and warned him his right to self-representation could be stripped.
Questions for this witness, sir? I'll put that as a no, sir. Thank you, sir. You may step down. You've been checked out by trained deputies who are medics. You've been checked out by a registered nurse as well as an emergency medical technician, all of whom indicate that there is nothing physically wrong with you, nor any reason why you couldn't continue here, sir. Make some effort to cause a mistrial, but as I advised you, sir, and this the case law is very clear about, your behavior will not cause a mistrial. Sir, in 5 minutes, I'm going to start again, with or without you.
Wilkins kept pressing his circus, but it didn't help. He was convicted on all counts and given 42 years behind bars. His attempt at courtroom theater didn't save him. It sealed his fate. Contrast that with something almost laughable until it wasn't.
And this time block that Mr. Lane was rolling a blunt and might have been smoking.
In Ann Arbor, Michigan, Anthony Lane logged into a virtual hearing and apparently thought the camera was his private moment.
A waiver for continued plea negotiations and resolution in circuit.
You understand you'll not have that hearing and you'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution.
Yes, sir.
While waiting for his case to be called, he was caught on mic, rolling a blunt and casually puffing away on camera.
Your Honor, given that information, I guess we need to adjourn the PCC so Mr. Lane and I can speak further before we wait.
I think that might be wise. Mr. Lane, you understand what's happening now?
Yeah.
Recreational marijuana might be legal in Michigan, but Lane's bond terms banned drug use. The prosecutor flagged it, the judge saw it, and Lane's casual confidence evaporated. The court ordered him to report for immediate drug testing, revoked his bond when he didn't show, and issued a warrant.
When's the last time you tested?
2 weeks ago.
You were supposed to be testing 2 times per week.
I tested back to back.
Okay, but have you tested this week?
No, sir.
I'm also going to order that you're to report to community corrections today for a test.
Your Honor, I have no ride today.
Well, you better find somebody to get you a ride down here. I'm ordering a test. You're the one that brought this on yourself by what you did.
Laughing at a judge while you're on thin ice is not a great legal strategy. Lane learned that the hard way.
You keep laughing, Mr. Lane. I don't think you want to do that. Not with me. You better take yourself off before you think things are too funny. Thank you.
I wasn't laughing at you, sir. I wasn't laughing at you, sir.
Yeah. Great. Thank you.
Now flip the script from comic to horrifying. In Berrien County, Michigan, a routine hearing went sideways in the most violent way you can imagine. 44-year-old Larry Gordon, facing sexual assault charges, somehow grabbed a gun during processing and shot Deputy James Atterbury. Chaos erupted. 2 civilians who rushed to the deputy's aid were also hit. People screamed, ran for exits. Others hid in nearby courtrooms. Gordon barreled through hallways using a civilian as a human shield, trying to escape the building. Court officers and sheriff's deputies confronted him. A gunfight followed. But before we continue, we can tell you enjoy this type of content, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Make sure to turn on notifications too, so you never miss a new video. After the smoke cleared, Gordon lay dead. Multiple people were wounded.
Got someone down here. Oh, God. Oh, here. Oh, no. Let's go. Get him over. Get him over. Get him. Here. Stay with us. Stay with us. Come on, buddy.
The scene turned a routine day at the courthouse into a battlefield, a brutal reminder that danger can appear where you least expect it. Not every courtroom meltdown involves bullets. Sometimes it's pure farce.
This is your driving while license suspended. Mr. Harris, are you driving?
Yes, I am.
Take Corey Harris, who joined a virtual hearing from his car while he was driving. Judge Cedric Simpson didn't miss it.
Mr. Harris, are you driving?
Actually, I'm pulling into my doctor's office, actually. So just give me 1 second. I'm parking right now.
Harris logged in, claimed he was just pulling into a doctor's office.
So maybe I don't understand something. This is a driving while license suspended?
That is correct, Your Honor.
And he was just driving, and he didn't have a license.
That is with the charges, Your Honor, yes.
No, I'm looking at his record. He doesn't have a license. He's suspended and he's just driving.
That is correct, Your Honor.
The judge revoked his bond, ordered him to turn himself in.
I don't even know why he would do that. So defendant's bond is revoked in this matter. Defendant is turning himself into the Washington County Jail by 6 p.m. today. Failure to turn himself in will result in a bench warrant with no bond.
And the clip exploded online. Harris became a viral meme.
Pure OD hell. I've been assaulted. I've been followed. I've been laughed at. I've been ridiculed. I have been disrespected.
After 2 nights in jail, he returned to court, sheepish. And the judge gave him a hard lesson about responsibility.
The person that needed to be blamed is the person that he was staring at in the mirror. He didn't do what he should have done. When they suspended his license, and what people don't understand, when they suspended his license in Saginaw, they don't suspend the license. They suspend the privilege to drive in this state. His license was his driving privileges, better stated, were unsuspended in 2022. That required Mr. Harris to do something. He didn't do it.
A suspended license is the suspension of a privilege, not permission to drive.
He has never had a Michigan license, ever, and has never had a license in the other 49 states and commonwealths that form up this great union. He's got a warrant.
No, I did not know.
Yes, he has a warrant for his arrest. The shocking thing about it, for a driving while license suspended, that he didn't take care of.
Then there's the amateur Houdini, Gerald Hyde II. While being marched from a holding cell, Hyde slipped out of his restraints, stripped off his prison shirt to hide his handcuffs, ditched the distinctive prison shoes, and bolted into the streets. He was on the run for 2 hours before officers recaptured him. It was bold, it was clever, and it landed him back in court. Hyde was later convicted of second-degree escape and handed 2 years and 2 months behind bars. Short freedom, long regret. Which of these blew your mind? The fake collapse, the smoking defendant, the courtroom shootout, the driving while in session, or the bold escape? Drop your pick in the comments, hit like if this shocked you, and subscribe for more wild, real courtroom stories.